Hello? Hi, is Mr. Wall there?
No, there's no Mr. Wall here, sir.
Okay, can I speak to Mrs. Wall then?
Nope, not a Mrs. Wall either.
Is Harry Wall there?
Nope, not even a Harry Wall.
Are there any walls?
There are no walls at this house.
Then what holds up your house then?
Good afternoon, Brownsburg High School. Thanks for watching BHS TV. Today is Monday, May 2nd. I'm Taylor Woods.
And I'm Amber Bashir. And here are today's announcements.
Prom tickets are now on sale for $35 and will be sold during all lunches from now until this Friday, May 6th. Prom will take place on Saturday, May 7th from 8 to 11 at the Indiana Roof Ballroom downtown. The theme is Escape to Rio. All students must have a ticket and will be breathalyzed upon entry.
Any student interested in joining BHS Chain Link Senate next year, please pick up an application in your team office ASAP. For any questions regarding the process, feel free to see Mr. Cochran in room H105 or Mr. Butts in the Senior Academy 201. Applications are due today.
The BHS Media Center is looking for input from students about what magazines they might like to see available to them. Click on the link in the description of today's show to fill out a short survey or stop by the Media Center and fill out a paper survey. Your input will help determine what will be ordered next school year.
Seniors, if you're looking for a part-time job or full-time job, please take a moment and check out the job opportunities posted on the bulletin board of the first floor in the Senior Academy. If you have any questions about any jobs, please contact Mrs. Martin.
There will be a call-out meeting this Thursday, May 5th for anyone interested in high school guard next school year. The meeting is at 6:30 p.m. and will be held in the BHS band room. Please enter door number 16.
International Club will be hosting an interfaith event on Tuesday, May 10th in the Senior Academy LGI from 3 to 5 p.m. Please note this is a change from the original date. The event will consist of speakers from several religions, keynote speakers, and a Q&A session. The International Club would like to give students and community members a chance to learn about different faiths and cultures, and anyone is welcome.
If you are interested in joining the BHS Fashion Club, their first meeting will take place next Tuesday, May 10th after school in room C105. With prom coming up this weekend, BHS TV asked students about their plans for prom this weekend.
So you're going to prom this year. What are your expectations for prom this year?
I have to go with all my friends and have a lot of fun at prom and before and after prom.
Really to have fun, and hopefully my friends go so we can all go together this last year.
I'm hoping it'll be fun and the music will be a lot better than homecoming's music.
Just expecting to have a good time with my friends. I don't know how much dancing I'll do, but we'll see.
How did your date ask you to prom this year?
Well, my boyfriend has not asked me to prom yet, so I'm just waiting for that.
At least she asked me, so I was like, cool, I don't even have to do anything.
Yeah. How did she ask you?
She just said, hey, you want to go prom to me? And I was like, all right.
After prom, I'll probably just hang out with some friends. I don't really have any official plans yet. I don't think I'm going to Kings Island or anything, so.
Well, we're all going in a limo and we're all like hanging out after, I guess, so I don't really know.
All right.
Go hang out with friends, party, and go to Kings Island the next day.
All right. So prom is on May 7th, 2016. It's downtown at the Indiana Roof Ballroom. The theme is Escape to Rio this year, so it's going to be very vibrant and colorful. Tickets are $35. You can buy those at lunch this week and all next week. So come out and it'll be a really good time.
We're looking forward for a great time, and we hope to see you there.
Now it's time for sports. Hey, Tommy.
Thanks, guys. I'm Tommy Smith. On Friday night, the varsity baseball team hosted Westfield in a doubleheader. The Dogs fell behind 1-0 early in the first game, could never generate any offense to come from behind. In the second game, the Dogs put up a couple of early runs but still fell behind after the first inning and were unable to convert runners in scoring position. The guys are back in action tonight when they host Bloomington South. The varsity softball team also took on Westfield last Friday night. A home run from Melissa Brown in the second inning put the Dogs on the board first. After a few Shamrocks runs, the ladies battled back but fell just short, losing 6-3. The ladies are back in action tonight at Carmel. Good luck. The girls' track team traveled to Zionsville last Friday night to compete in an 11-team invitational. Dogs came in with a 5th-place finish led by Joyce Soberton, who also took 4th place in the 100 and 200 and was a member of the 3rd-place 4x100 relay team. Distance runners Gabby Bichet, Anna Boone, and Emily Truax all improved their personal best times in their events. The ladies will head to Avon tomorrow night to take on the Orioles. There will be a call-out meeting with Coach Ballbach on Tuesday, May 10th for any boys interested in running cross-country next fall. The meeting will be in the pool classroom at 5:30. Please enter door number 14. Summer workouts and other important information will be discussed. That's all for today, guys. I'm Tommy Smith. Back over to you.
Thanks, Tommy. That's all for today, VHS. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on Wednesday.